Hello everybody, my name is Barbecue Sash, and today we are going to play on Hypixel playing Build Battle, and now we have to do candles, so let's get clay. White clay. Yellow clay. Clay. There we go, we're gonna build the base, and let me change the ground to oak. Oak wood. Ink. There we go. It's a little too big. There we go. No, that's too big also. Maybe one more. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, that's good. Gonna make it up a little bit more. Alright, well that's my finished thing. That's supposed to be wax running down the side, and then that's the candle part. Let me make this not as flat. There we go. Alright, and I'll see you guys when they start the voting. Alright, our first one to vote is this one. Poop. This one? Give it a good. This one, I don't really see a candle. I'm just gonna put super poop. This one, I don't know why he put OF, but I'll give it a good, okay. This one, good. Good job. This one, okay. This one, poop. This one, another poop. This one is good. This one is epic. This one is good. This is mine. I think it deserves a legendary. This one, it deserves oh, good. No, okay, it's okay. Good game. I know this is gonna win. I came in and placed. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.